240Hz insanely high refresh rate, quantum dot colors, mini LED Pro technology, Dolby Vision IQ, Dolby Atmos, built-in subwoofer. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we have a special TV in the home from Hisense. This is their all new U7N series 2024 model, just launched in the Indian market and packs killer features for the price point. See, main highlight is it's a premium segment model from the company and has full array local dimming support along with mini LED Pro technology. And if you talk about the gaming related stuff, everything A to Z features are there with insanely high 240Hz refresh rate, auto low latency mode, VRR support, plus FreeSync Premium Pro as well. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. It's available in different size variants. Today in the house we have the massive 65-inch edition. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the video. So our brand new Hisense TV came in this sort of packaging. Model we'll be checking out today is U7N, and this TV packs very interesting features. You can check out all of its main highlights on the front side. And apart from that, Hisense is also offering 3 years of warranty with the TV purchase. Plus you're also getting some interesting subscription offers also, which we'll be talking about at a later part in the video. So make sure to watch it till the end. Quickly getting started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, there you go, we actually have some accessories at the top side. There's a manual over here with all the installation details, and these are your TV stands. Good quality, I would say, entirely made of metal and feels solid in the hand. Keeping that aside, you're also getting a mains cord for the TV, and this one is the base of the TV stand. So I'll give you a final look once we are done with the installation part. Last but not the least, you're also getting a wall mounting bracket included in the TV package itself. So keeping all the accessories aside, now let's finally check out the TV we've been waiting for. Hisense all new U7N series 2024. Oh, we also have an accessory packet over here which includes some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. A smart remote control for the TV as well. Plenty of smart features are there, including voice assistant support. Plus you're also getting a 3.5mm to RCA cable, some installation screws for the TV stands, and lastly 2 AAA batteries for the remote. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package, and there you go boys, the much awaited TV we've been waiting for. Hisense all new mini LED Pro technology quantum dot U7N series TV. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. You people saw, right? We've done the unboxing part long back and I've been testing this TV for the last couple of days, and today in this video I have a lot of information to share with you all regarding the picture quality, sound quality, and not to miss out those gaming related features as well. So make sure to watch it till the end, and on that note, make sure to like this video guys and hit the subscribe button. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the TV and start off with the design and build quality part. Hisense U7N is a 4K mini LED quantum dot TV and is available in different size variants. Today in the house we have the massive 65-inch edition, and it packs really interesting features guys. If you talk about the design, right, very beautiful and modern looking design. I mean, look at the front profile over here. TV has absolutely minimum bezels, especially on the top 3 sides. On the bottom also very slim bezel, I would say, and has a very premium metallic sort of finishing. Definitely gives it that premium look and feel. You only have a tiny Hisense logo on the lower left corner, a status LED indicator at the center, followed by a physical switch as well to enable or disable the microphone for a hands-free experience on the TV. Now having a look at the side profile, this is how the TV looks like. As I've told you guys, entire frame of the TV is covered in a beautiful brushed metallic finish and definitely looks quite premium. Get a look at that stand as well. Looks pretty nice, right? So the main legs of the TV stand, they're made of metal as I've shown you during the unboxing part, but the top cover that slides on top of it, right, this is made of plastic, but still it has a beautiful brushed metallic sort of finish. What I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the TV and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. You're getting plenty of connectivity ports, all of them very easily accessible from the left profile of your TV. There's 2 USB ports, one on the side and one at the back of the TV. One is a USB 3.0, other one is a USB 2.0, followed by 4 HDMI ports are there. And yes, the TV also has support for HDMI 2.1 with EARC support as well. 1 and 2 ports support a max of only up to 4K 60, but 3 and 4 support a max of up to 144Hz refresh rate, and out of that only 3 support CARC. Last but not the least, you're also getting an antenna RF port followed by a 3.5mm headphone jack is also there, AV in, and at the back profile here you're getting an Ethernet LAN port and also digital optical out. Keeping the design and build quality aside, now let's jump onto the home screen and talk about the software, built-in apps and features. First of all, let me tell you, this brand new Hisense U7N is based on VIDA operating system, and over the past few years VIDA has definitely improved a lot guys, especially in terms of the UI and also the smoothness, refresh refinement. This is what I can say. Here's how the home screen on it looks like. Very clean and modern looking UI and shows lots of content and recommendations. So on the home screen you got plenty of access to all the OTT related apps, and let me tell you, most of these came like pre-installed out of the box, guys. I didn't need to do anything. You're getting Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, Jio Cinema, Z5. Most of these are available. But apart from these, if you want to download more apps and games, yes, you can do that from Vida's own app store, guys. From here you can access a lot of games, applications, whichever you want to download, you can do that. And below the app section you can find plenty of recommended content, and as I've told you, this keeps updating frequently. Going to the left side here, you've got some information regarding the account section. A search tab is available, notifications, input select section. From here you can access different HDMI inputs whichever you're connected. And lastly, you've got your settings. If you ask about the performance, TV's performance is also very good. As I've told you, I've been testing this TV for the last couple of days, and the whole navigation, opening and closing of apps, transitions, everything feels smooth over here. You can definitely feel that 120Hz native refresh rate smoothness on the home screen. I know you people are excited to check out the TV's picture quality, right? What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, some OTT related apps, play some content for you people. Just have a look at that, and then I'll be back to share my experience about the performance and picture quality.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
Alright, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Hisense U7N is available in different sizes. Today in the house we have the 65-inch edition. It's a 4K quantum dot mini LED Pro TV, that too with a really high refresh rate. First of all, guys, I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, as I've told you, and overall picture quality was like really good for the price that you're paying. One more thing, a lot of people don't seem to know the difference between backlighting technologies. Like, what's the difference between direct lit and also edge lighting and also full array local dimming? I can actually make like a very in-depth explanation about that, but that is like a very in-depth subject, so maybe we'll try to do a separate video on that. Let me just give you like a brief idea. So in this mini LED full array technology, right, there are a lot of tiny mini LEDs stacked across the entire TV panel, and the TV can smartly control all of these zones individually, guys, thus offering like a much improved contrast ratio, deeper black levels, and also gives you like better brightness as well compared to your other cheaper or affordable category TVs. One more great thing is the blooming effect which you might see on those affordable category TVs, right? That is a lot reduced on this mini LED TVs, guys. You're getting good amount of detail, native 4K resolution. There's nothing less you can expect over here. Everything looks crisp and clear, and picture quality is like really good, guys. Talking about the colors, first of all, as I've told you, this is a quantum dot LED TV. That means you're getting a quantum dot nano crystal layer on the front side, and when light strikes these nano particles, right, they produce strikingly beautiful colors and much wider color gamut range. And because of that, it was producing like very rich looking and also natural skin tones as well. Overall color quality, the color volume was like really good, guys. Contrast ratio is also nice and was offering deeper black levels as well. And if you ask about the viewing angles are also good. Picture looks pretty much the same no matter from which angle you are viewing. So great for like watching sports sort of content, even if you're using the TV in like living room as well. Now if you ask about the brightness is also like one of its main highlights, because as I've told you, this is a full array mini LED Pro TV, right? You're getting a lot more brightness than other affordable or mid-range category TVs. Typical brightness value is somewhere around 600 nits is what I can say, but if you're especially watching HDR related content, right, the peak brightness this panel can achieve is almost like 1300 nits, guys, which is even a lot higher than your OLED TVs as well. And there's good amount of detail in both highlight areas and shadow areas as well. Not to miss out, you're also getting support for HDR10 plus adaptive and Dolby Vision IQ as well. So especially if you're watching movies or web series on OTT platforms, right, you will have absolute blast on this TV. Keeping the picture quality aside, let me also talk about the audio quality. So Hisense U7N features 2.1 channel speaker setup on board. You're literally getting a dedicated subwoofer at the backside. There's good amount of detail, all the dialogues are like crisp and clear, easily audible and understandable, and the whole dynamic range, stereo separation, everything felt pretty nice. The treble quality, bass was also like pretty decent. See, if you're especially tight on a budget, right, and you can't afford like an external sound bar or maybe like a home theater system, you don't need to go for that unless you're looking for like a realistic 7.1 or 5.1 home theater surround sound experience, right? You don't need to worry about that. Built-in speakers will definitely get your job done. And main highlight is you're also getting Dolby Atmos support as well with HDMI 2.1 and EARC support. I know, this is the part you people have been waiting for. How is the gaming performance of this TV? So as I've told you guys, this is a native 4K resolution and has like a really high refresh rate of up to 240 Hz. Plus you're getting lots of gaming related features as well. Auto low latency mode, VRR support is there, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro as well, and comes with a dedicated game mode Pro. But one thing I do have to mention is the native refresh rate is not 240 Hz at 4K. Native refresh rate is only 120 Hz at 4K. If you want to access those high refresh rate modes, right, you'll have to go into the settings and especially the HDMI settings and enable enhanced format, guys. Then you'll be able to access those 144 Hz and 240 Hz. So at 4K resolution, once you enable this, now you can easily switch from 120 to 144 Hz. I mean, look at the picture settings over here. You can clearly see all the refresh rates available. And if you're wondering where is that 240 Hz, you can access 240 Hz only at 1080p resolution, guys. So definitely keep these points in mind. I've played a lot of games on both consoles and especially on my PC, because if you want to access that higher refresh rate 144 Hz or 240 Hz, right, obviously you'll need a gaming PC only. You can't do that on a console. I mean, look at this buttery smooth movement, no sort of screen tearing, no ghosting. Even the input lag was very minimum. When you enable auto low latency mode and all the other gaming features, right, input lag on this TV was around like 6 to 7 milliseconds only. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, right? So let me also quickly show you the remote control and talk about that. There you go. This is how Hisense TV remote looks like. It's a smart remote and has plenty of features. Good build quality, I would say, and lots of options and buttons are available. Quick access OTT platform apps are there. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, music, all of them can be easily accessible. And main thing is you're also getting integrated voice assistant button over here with a microphone on board. The TV actually supports dual voice assistant. You're getting Vida voice and also Amazon Alexa as well. So choice is up to you. Simply click on the button on the remote and get started with your questions. You'll get all your answers on your TV. Not only that, TV also has like a built-in microphone for a complete hands-free experience. You don't even need the remote. Simply ask Vida voice or Alexa and that's it. You can get started from the TV itself. You do have a physical switch as well to disable or enable the microphone on the TV just beside the status LED indicator on the front side. Well, that's it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Hisense all new 65 inches U7N series mini LED Pro technology Quantum.LED TV. It's a really good TV with all the A to Z features you might be looking for, and not to miss out those next level gaming features with up to 240 Hz refresh rate. If you ask about the pricing details, 55-inch variant starts at a price of around 74,999 rupees and our 65-inch edition costs around 1,04,999 rupees. I'll leave links to all of them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.